Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Italian dressing for salad. To begin, you'll need some key ingredients. Start with 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, which forms the base. Then, add 1/4 cup of your preferred vinegar, like white wine or red wine. These simple components are crucial for a delicious homemade dressing. Now, let's infuse some classic Italian flavors. Add 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and dried basil. For a savory kick, include 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. If you enjoy a little warmth, a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes works wonderfully. These herbs truly elevate the taste. Once all your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. Pour everything into a jar with a tight-fitting lid. Shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds until the oil and vinegar are fully combined and emulsified. This creates a creamy, consistent dressing. If you don't have a jar, a bowl and whisk work just as effectively. Your delicious homemade Italian dressing is now ready. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator. It will keep well for about 1 week. Remember to give it a good shake before each use, as the ingredients might separate slightly. This versatile dressing is perfect for green salads, pasta salads, or even as a marinade for chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.